Good evening, my dear.
Hi.
Hello. What did you do today? Hello, everyone. Good evening to you all. What did you do this morning?
I'm going to school with mom.
Oh, you mean I went to school with mom.
Yes.
What did you do at school?
I play with my friends.
Oh, you did not have classes?
Mm,
No classes?
No, I don't learn. That
Oh,
is my
okay.
mom's school.
Oh, that's what you mean. I see. I got
And
it.
I go to with mom and I play in that.
Oh, okay. I thought you have
That is have
classes.
playground. Playground.
Hmm, I see.
That
Okay. So what did you
here.
play?
The song in the piano.
You played your piano?
Yeah. You want to see that?
Okay, let me see.
I talk with mom.
Okay,
Mm,
later on you can show me your how you play your
it,
piano.
it's half in the phone. In in my mom's phone.
Oh, I see. Okay, what
Cho cô
music did you play?
được không?
What music did you play with your piano? Do, re,
I
mi, fa,
play
sol,
I,
la, ti.
I,
Is that it?
I play ABC song.
Oh, I
Mm.
see. That is cool.
Vâng.
Okay, later on, we can listen, we can watch how you played your piano.
Okay.
Okay, but right now, we will answer this one. Okay, you are asked to write about your unforgettable trip. Okay. Here, my dear.
Write
Your
about your unforgettable trip.
okay, unforgettable.
I unforgettable.
Okay. So we have to fill this up. I made here a picture. Okay. Can you see this one? Okay, can you see our screen, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, here, first question. Where did you go?
He is. Mm, I go to.
I went.
I went to mountains.
Okay. I
Mm,
went to.
a forest. A
Okay,
mountain. A forest.
I went to a forest with my family.
How did you get there?
Okay,
I
how
I get uh
there
there
by
that by t-shirts, shorts, hats,
okay. Oh, my dear, the question is
photos,
how did you get there? Did you ride a car, a bus, an airplane, a train?
airplane.
Okay, I get there by riding an airplane. Okay, next question.
What for me?
Okay, number.
Peter, do you know passport?
Yes. Do you have a passport?
Passport.
Do you have a passport?
Passport.
Mẹ con có hộ chiếu không? No, I don't have.
Oh, you don't have it yet. Okay, but in the future, you will have your passport and you can travel
Teacher,
anywhere.
my grandmother is have passport.
Okay, wow, that is great. You can say my grandmother
My grandmother
is
have
having, okay, has
having
her passport. Okay, again, my dear, my grandmother has her passport.
my grandmother is having a passport.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 3 question. What did you see at the
I
place?
see. I see.
I saw.
Oh, it's
What did you
I
see
saw
at the
I
place
saw
you
many
visited?
house. I see many
Oh,
house and trees.
okay, that is great. I saw many houses and trees.
Trees.
Very good. That's a nice view. Next question. What?
What did you eat?
Oh, what?
I ate spaghetti.
Oh, and what else?
Noodle
Okay.
and orange juice.
And?
Orange juice.
Okay,
Oh,
that's good.
spaghetti and noodle is same.
Yes. Okay, let's change that. Aside from spaghetti, what
Okay,
else did you
spaghetti.
eat? What
Oh,
else
what
did you
is?
eat?
I ate spaghetti and
Oh no.
orange.
Okay.
Orange juice. Orange juice.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you like
What
spaghetti? Do you like
activities?
spaghetti?
Yes, I like spaghetti.
Okay, that's delicious. Okay, number 5. What?
Delicious. What activities
Yes.
did you do? I I don't know.
For example, you went to a beach. What did you do in there?
Driving a boat.
Oh, okay. I rode a
I
boat.
rode a boat in the water.
Yes. What else? I made sand castle. Okay, what else?
I don't know.
Okay, you can say I
I rode a boat on the water. I saw a a castle.
okay. You can say
I took the photos.
yes, I took photos. Very good.
Photos. How did you feel? I feel mẹ yên tĩnh rồi. Play nhá.
You can
I
choose.
feel slay.
I feel.
Feel
What did you say, my dear? You can choose here. Okay, here's the word. Okay, here.
I very slay because I feel happy.
Okay. Or you can choose here. First word. I feel.
Peaceful.
Yes, peaceful. What else? Amazing.
Amazing. Because in there is have the sun.
Okay. Yes, so let's add this up. I
Beautiful.
feel
I,
amazing,
I
happy,
feel and peaceful.
very good. Okay, what a wonderful trip you have. Okay, that's an unforgettable trip. Okay. Oh, now let's go to our new lesson here. Unit number 4 about. Okay, what's our lesson?
My friends and my fam and my pet.
Okay, let's talk about your friends and your pets. Okay, and your family too. Okay.
Oh, in my house is not pet.
Okay. So let's answer
In
this
my
question.
house is have
Do you have pets
who?
at home? Do you have pets?
No, I don't have. I don't have. I don't have. I have
Oh,
the teddy bear.
yes. Okay. Me too. I have no pet at home, but I have many toys. Okay. Okay, number 1, my dear. What's the question?
Who live in your house? Is have grandmother. I
You
don't
can
know.
say there
I tell
are.
my house. I tell my house. In my house have my mom, my father, me, my younger brother, my grandfather, and my grandmother.
How many people are there in your family?
In my family is
There are.
there are have 6 people in my family.
Okay, very good. There are 6
Who
people in
who
my
who
family. Okay, next
who the
question.
oldest persons in your house? What is oldest?
The oldest person. Okay, let's share this one here. Oldest person. Where is it? Oldest person.
Oldest person.
Okay, wait a minute. Where is the oldest person? Here we have.
Người lớn tuổi nhất. Oldest person. Người lớn tuổi nhất.
Okay, you get it? So, what is your answer? Who is okay, my dear? Who is the oldest person in your house?
My grandmother.
Oh, that's great. And the second one, who is?
No, my grandfather.
Okay, yes, your grandpa. Next question.
Teacher, I know draw the donut.
Okay, can you draw it? Pink donut.
I don't know because
Okay, okay, you can put spots. Okay, the
okay,
donut
math.
has spots on it, or sprinkled some spots and candies.
Yes, it has many candy in that.
Yes, and you
It
can
has
also.
yellow, blue,
Yes,
and
very good.
that is
You can also put chocolate. Uh,
yes, but I don't like the color in the color with chocolates.
oh, I see. Okay. Okay, my dear, next question.
Who is the
Youngest
youngest persons?
in your
My young
family?
my younger brother.
Okay. How old is he?
He is 7 years old.
Okay. How old is grandpa?
My grandpa, um, is 62 years old.
Oh, that is great. Okay, very good. So again, there are 6 people in your family. Oh, next question. There's another one question. Number 2.
Has anyone in your family got your name too?
Is there anyone in your family who has the same name with you as Lan Fong?
Yes, my mom. Your mom name is Lan. My name
Oh,
is Lan
okay. That
Phương,
is lovely.
and my mom's name is Lan.
Okay, that is lovely. Very good. Okay, next, my dear. Oh, number 3 question.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V.
Okay. Okay, question number 3. Who do you
sit next to at school? Do you always sit in the same seat?
Okay, first question. Who do you sit next to at school? Your favorite classmate?
My favorite classmate is in my class. My class
Is he?
because I sit with my best friends.
Wow, that is cool. That is fun.
I have 3 best friends. One best friend is sit with me, and 2 best friend is under me.
Oh, behind you.
Below, yeah,
You mean
behind me.
behind at your back, okay? You can say one of my favorite classmates is sitting next to me. Again,
Yeah,
one of my favorite classmates is sitting next
is
to me.
sitting to me.
Again, one of my favorite classmates.
One of my
favorite classmate
is sitting with my best friends.
Okay. While the other 2 classmates are sitting behind my back.
Yeah.
Okay, can you say that? While my 2 other classmates
While my 2 classmates is sitting
are
sitting next to
behind
me.
Oh, yes, that's great. Very good. Oh, next question. Do you always Okay, my dear, what's your answer to this question?
Yes.
Do you
I
always
always sit. What is sit?
Okay, the chair.
Oh, yes. In my class is the chair. Many chair and table is very same.
Okay, so you always
Not different. But my friend
Oh,
is color in the chair in the table is because it's very ugly.
oh, I see. Okay. You mean in your classroom there are many chairs and tables?
Table.
Is that
No,
what you
it's
mean?
table. It's not chair.
Oh, I see. Okay, that is fun. That is fun. sitting on chairs and tables with your classmates. Okay. Okay, my dear, next. Okay, let's go. Number 4 question. Okay, number 4, please.
Which friends do you see at the weekend?
Okay, what's your answer? Do you have friends whom you see during weekend?
Yes.
And what do you do with them during weekend?
I don't know.
You don't play or read books or watch movies?
In the class is
Oh,
writing the
okay.
notebook because I
Oh,
don't finish the.
okay. By the way, my dear, when we say weekend, it
Oh, weekend
refers.
I ride a bike with my friends.
Okay, what else do you do? Weekend means Saturday or Sunday. So what do you do with your friends? Do they visit you at home sometimes?
Yes.
Okay. Do you also watch movies together?
Yes.
No, not yet.
Yes.
How about play games together?
No.
Okay. And you can try that in the future. You can have
But my
fun
mom
with your friends.
doesn't like.
Oh, I see. Okay. Number 5, my dear. What's your answer?
Tell me about your best friends. What does he look like?
Okay,
Tell me what are his hobbies.
Okay, tell me about your best friend. Can you describe? Yeah, is your best friend a boy or a girl?
A cross is
Okay.
a girl.
Okay. So can you describe
I
her?
play with a boy. I don't like a boy.
Okay. Okay. So your best friend is a girl. Can you describe her? Or you can say her hair is long.
The hair is long.
Okay. How will you describe your best friend?
My hobbies.
Your best friend first. Okay. For example,
My friend, she is like to police officer.
Oh, okay. Do you mean she likes to become a police officer someday?
Yes.
Oh, okay. She likes to become a police officer someday.
Office.
What else? What can you say about your best friend?
Yes, my best friend. He likes to become a police officer someday,
Oh,
but she's like to become um a math teacher because she is very like math
oh, okay.
and Vietnamese.
I see. Okay. You can say she also likes to
She also like to
become
be
a math teacher.
math teacher.
Okay. How about her personality? Is she funny? Is
What?
she kind? Smart?
She is very kind.
Okay, you can say she is very kind. Okay, very good. How about her hobbies? Do you know her hobbies? What does she like to do?
She is
Okay, you can say she likes to
She likes to
Read books. Watch movies.
read. Yes, she is like to reading
Okay, she likes to read books.
and play with me.
Oh, that's fun. She likes to read book and play with me. Very good. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, let's go, my dear, here. Let's go to the next. Okay, here. We have a picture. It's about,
Birthday party.
okay, whose birthday party?
Holly's birthday
Okay,
party. What is Holly?
the name of the girl.
Oh,
Okay, so can you help teacher here? Can you read this for me?
you are going to hear Holly talking about the 8 people who came to her party.
Okay, now let's know these 8 people. What are their names? Okay, here we go. We have to listen and you have to answer. Okay, can you see this one? You have to write your answer, my dear. And you have to draw lines. Okay, you
No,
have
teacher.
to... Oh, that's a hair clump. Hair clump.
Yes.
Do you wear it always?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. That's pretty. Okay, my dear, let's listen. And you write your answer on the screen. Okay, in
Look.
3. Oh, no. Okay, your hair clump. Okay, my dear, let's listen now. And you have to write your answer on the screen. In 3, 2, 1.
4B.
Wait.
What is it?
No.
Okay, are you ready now? Okay, again. In 3, 2, 1, action.
Ready. Action.
My friends and my pets. Who came to Holly's birthday party? Listen and write names.
My party was excellent.
Oh, no, sorry.
My best friend Jane came, of course, and Daisy too. Daisy and I like the same kind of music. We also love dancing. And I invited the 2 boys who live in the house that's next to ours. Harry's the older one. He always makes me laugh on the school bus. His younger brother is Pat. I didn't know him, but I do now. He didn't stop singing all afternoon and was very loud.
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher.
Yes, my
I
dear?
often go...
Yes, my dear?
I don't know.
Okay, let's repeat. You can
It's
put...
very fast.
What is it?
It's very fast.
Okay, now let's see this. If
Here,
we can...
you read for me.
Okay. Okay, what is it?
Do you read for me?
What do you
Read
mean?
the question. The question in
Oh,
here.
there's no question. We have to listen and you have to write. For example, here. Okay, the speaker said Daisy.
Because it's very loud and it's
Okay, I see.
very
Okay,
loud
that's right.
and the sentence says I don't know the sentences.
Okay, before we listen, let's read first these sentences so that you can have idea. Okay, first.
Also has guitar lessons.
Okay.
Is in the same class. Is Holly's cousin. Is Holly's best friend. Likes the same music. It's very funny. Goes sailing too. Is a loud singer.
Okay. Now let us listen
Oh,
again.
It's anytime.
Oh no, it's time now. Okay, my dear, let's continue this tomorrow. We will listen again to the speaker and you have to guess what is the name of the person referred to by the speaker. Okay, my dear. Oh, where is the stop share? Okay, bye-bye, my dear. Thank you for tonight. We will continue this tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy
Yo.
evening.
Bye-bye.